Well, welcome to our next edition of the DIY camper remodel. This is used to be a 1979 till we found out it was a 1970 Ideal. I think it's a 20-footer. I don't know, not that it really matters. Yeah, the windows are still in. We just have them open right now for ventilation purposes. Let's go ahead and see if we can swing around here. Oh, hey, there's some more light for us. Found a reflector. One at the top doesn't work, so let's see what else we have here. Haven't done anything to the outside at this point, but let's work our way around to the back. This door back here is completely rotted out, so we'll have to repair that. Water lines, Pamela pulled these off the other day so we could get the faucet out. We'll replace the faucet. Kind of seeing light back there. Oh yeah, we better go inside and see what we'll find in here. I do like it. We don't really have any AC running to the trailer right now, but we do have extension cords coming. Now there's something over here in the corner. It probably isn't supposed to be in the corner, right? Yep. It's the bathtub, and as I started working on the bathroom, trying to get the shower board out, figured, what the heck, I'm this close, let's just take the whole tub out. So what did we find back here? Well, in order to replace that, which, by the way, that's kind of dark, but the wood is all still in good shape. So what I'll do is I'll replace that with white shower board. It's that dry erase board, and we'll get it to go in. And so that'll go all against this wall here, and it'll also go on this wall back here. You can see how far up the old stuff went. Didn't go all the way. And then back here is where the faucets and stuff, I've already taken all that out. And part of the reason why I took the tub out is I could tell that we'd had visitors probably 30 plus years ago. So decided to take that out, and I'll replace some of the insulation down in there. Somebody's already done some plumbing work. Don't know that was the Ace Hardware logo from 1970, so it's probably not original. You can see the back end here of the propane heater. We'll check that out tomorrow and see if it still works. Our plan is to pull it out one way or the other. And at one time there was a propane refrigerator here, and since we don't have a propane refrigerator anymore, we'll probably come back in with an electric at this point. Still not toilet. We're working on getting that replaced. Pamela's done a really good job of getting this prepped for painting. She went through here today and sanded this. She got to use a belt sander for the first time and had a really good time. Well, my battery's going down, so there went the light. Anyway, a lot of junk coming out of the bathroom at this point. Again, she's done a lot of prep work through here, just getting ready to start painting, and she'll start that process tomorrow. So there you go. It's our do-it-yourself 1970 Ideal camper trailer. Glad you're sharing this experience with us, and we'll see you next time.